everyone, welcome to week 15 of Monday Motif series with Yarn Wonders. Today we are going to see a easy leaf motif. For this, before starting, I'll let you know what are all the stitches we are going to use. We are going to make chain stitch, single crochet, then double crochets. So to begin with, you have to make chain stitches. So totally we need 9 chain stitches including the turning chain. So first I'm going to make a knot and we'll start make the chain stitches. So here we are going to make 9 chains. Now the 2 chains are the turning chain, which is equivalent to 1 double crochet. So we'll be skipping 2 chains and we are going to make 1 single crochet in the 7th stitch. Now you shall make 6 double crochets into the 6 loops. So double crochet, you should do a yarn over and then insert, pull out. You have 3 loops. Now pull out through 2 loops. Now we are done with the 6 double crochets. Now you shall make 6 double crochets into the same loop. That's in your last loop. Now the 6 double crochets in the same loop is done. Now you can pull this tail end. Now you got the cluster here. Then you should make one more, which is equivalent to the opposite single crochet we made. So now the cluster is completely done. Now you shall start make the 5 double crochets here. While doing this, you can even hide this tail end. Now we are done with the 5 double crochets here. Now you should make the 1 single crochet in the last loop. So now the leaf is ready. To finish this, you can cut this tail part which we hide. So this is your basic leaf. So if you want this tip to be even more sharper, you can make one more single crochet. That's it. Now you can cut this excess part and make a knot with this. Then try to hide it backside. By just pulling it into the loops. So you can even hide it in 2-3 places so that it will be tighter and it won't loosen so fast. Once you are done, just cut the excess. That's it. So your easy leaf pattern is ready. Hope you all like this. Thank you for watching.